Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and we have an awesome giveaway of some Milwaukee tools that's going to end on Sunday, August 12th. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and get notifications when that video goes up. We have some opportunities to get some new tools that came out with the new 12 amp hour battery. Now forgive me, we just got in from Oregon last night at 2 a.m. It's fairly early this morning, and I know this video will come out later in the day, but roll with me as I try to get through this. You can win either the new M18 chainsaw, model number 2727-21HD, or the new circular saw, model number 2732-21HD. Both will come with a 12 amp hour battery. It's going to be your choice of whatever you want to pick. Now, to get into this contest, simple as usual, all you have to do is comment below with what you like most about Milwaukee tools, #WorkshopAddict. Pretty simple, pretty easy to get in. We're going to do a random winner again on Sunday, August 12th. If I haven't said that enough, make sure you subscribe to the channel, watch. We will have a review of this new circular saw coming out soon. We might put it up against a couple of the other ones that we have just to give you an idea of the new power in the runtime. Have a great day, guys. We appreciate everything you do. Thanks for the support. See ya.